Meanwhile, when we visited the shelter on December 31, the 50 remaining residents were relocating to the back of the school. Mr. Mackenzie says this move will not affect the reopening of school come Monday. To other news now, Government MP Everald Warmington has fired back at church leaders who blasted him for objecting to the government's proposed $75 million spend to help churches rebuild after Hurricane Melissa. Members of the clergy have indicated Mr. Warmington has no authority to object to the financial assistance or speak on behalf of churches. However, in doubling down on his position, Mr. Warmington said the church misunderstood his statement.
I spoke on behalf of the constituency and never attempt to speak on behalf of the church. But it is clear this is why the church is in decline. Because I can't be blamed or at fault when you have these self-appointed leaders of churches who are incapable of comprehending a simple statement made by me.
Mr. Warmington also responded to suggestions that the $75 million could be taken from the National Housing Trust NHT. For the MP, NHT funds should only go towards supporting contributors.
National Church Trust, or Church Fund. There are contributors to the Housing Trust who are not able to get loans, because the Housing Trust said they don't have enough points to get these loans. So how do they find points to give loans to churches? Churches have billions of dollars in their accounts, in the banks. So if the church needs loans or funding for the repair, they can always go to the bank to borrow against the money they have in the bank, or borrow against the vast properties that they have in Jamaica.